Okay, the base is done, the column is ready. Now Alessandro just has to put them together and hope for the best. When he started this project, he thought the hard part would be the code, the algorithm, the machine learning. No. The hard part is holding a steel column straight while the clamp is slipping and the glove is smoking, and he's thinking, why didn't I just buy a test bench like a normal person? But normal people go home after work and relax. Alessandro goes home and sets things on fire, mostly on purpose. The base, 4 steel profiles, cut at hours his neighbors will never forgive him for. Measured 3 times because the second time he got a different number and panicked. Welded together with 6 burns, 2 band-aids, and 1 word he can't say on camera because his daughter might watch this. And the column, this holds the motors, the sensors. Basically the whole point. It needs to be straight. Will it be straight? There's a concept in engineering called tolerance. His right now is plus or minus whatever he can fix with a hammer. All right, column meets base, and it fits. It actually fits. Is it beautiful? No. If his boss saw this, he'd have questions Alessandro doesn't want to answer. But it's real. It's standing. It's not falling over. And that's more than most LinkedIn projects can say. This thing has burn scars. It has his actual fingerprints on it because he touched it before it cooled down. Twice. Because apparently he doesn't learn. Next step, motors, wiring, and praying nothing becomes a projectile. Oh, and he didn't write this. He asked a bot. Because after welding all day, he has the vocabulary of a smoke alarm. But hey, the frame is real. The bot just talks about it. See you next time, if he still has all his fingers.